The warmest of welcomes to you. We await the conclusion of the pre-game formalities. I'm Peter Drury, and it's my chance to say that it is an absolute delight to have Jim Beglin beside me.
Thanks, Peter. Hello, everybody. Ready to see what unfolds in this one now.
To the field.
There's the whistle, and here we go. Gets it back. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. It's come loose. Now the cross. Looks to slip it through. Oh, good stop, it had to be. Hits one! Saved only by poor finishing.
I think he's done very well to get into such a good position in front of goal, but he just couldn't put in the telling touch. It's been such a positive start. I think the next step has to involve tucking one away.
Pumps it upfield. He's made sure that that won't get through. Needed a better pass there. Well, they could break here. Passes it through. Tries a through ball. It is deadlocked. Now the pass. Goalkeeper's ball. Who's going to make this theirs? Belts one. Tries a long pass towards the front. Looks like a good ball through. Oh, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. There could be trouble here. But for now, the referee is keeping his cards in his pocket. Looks like a good ball through. Spoon forward. Cuts it out. Now the pass. Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge. And back to base. "30 minutes gone. Gets it back. Passes it through. That'll be a throw. Lobs it in gently. And that'll go straight through to the keeper. Tries to get it forward quickly. Decent progress down the left. This is quite a run, and he's not done yet. Deflected behind for a corner kick. Massive leap! He's missed, but not by that far.
Well, if he hopes to do better than that, he's got to work on his technique and his timing. The contact wasn't right there, so there wasn't much chance of success.
It so nearly came off for him.
He's been a joy to watch, and that didn't miss by much. He'll be back.
It's gone out for a throw-in. Plays it into the channel, and he's made certain that won't get through. Fires it in low. Played out to the wing. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Really didn't have enough to concern the defence. Looks to slip it through. Some excellent tackling here, and that one a perfect example. Looks to dink one in. Keeper's ball.
It's a busy front line, lots of movement.
And is that working for you?
Well, not really. To be honest, I'm not a great fan of taking goal potential away from the penalty box.
And that'll be the final action of the first half. Some first half thoughts?
Oman may probably be feeling a little aggrieved about not capitalising on such a bright start. Their mood at half-time should be more upbeat. The glass remains half full, and it should spur them on.
An engrossing half, but we're still where we started, 0-0.
Oman clearly have been the better side for me. Yeah, I know the score doesn't quite reflect it, but if they go about their game in the same manner as the opening 45 minutes, things really should improve.
It's a goal! The second half sparked straight into life. A wonderful delivery, and all it needed was a touch.
Yeah, I just thought he wanted that more than anyone else on the pitch, and it was fully deserved. He gave it everything he had.
Number 8.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Well, whatever the manager said in that dressing room at half-time, it's worked a treat.
Aimed long and direct. Chipped through. Oh, that's clever. Can he finish? Big relief, it just needed better contact.
Yeah, not only do they hit fast on the counter-attack, Peter, but they show terrific effort and desire in getting forward in good numbers.
To the keeper and go again. Gets it upfield. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Well, it did look promising to start with, but in the end they were thwarted before they could even make it into the final third. Tries a through ball. Done very well to intervene. Now the pass. Fine defending there. To get it forward quickly, passes it through. Someone looks like he's in need of protection here.
Yeah, he's an elusive customer. He can get between the lines and behind them, so he must be more closely marshalled like that.
Who's going to make this theirs? It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Spoon forward. and high towards the flank. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Yeah, and it was a case of good awareness too. That wasn't quite matched by the right weight of pass. It only needed just a little bit more behind it, and he was through.
Well, it's a safety in numbers approach to defending here.
Yeah, but dropping deep can bring more trouble.
Yeah?
Well, shots from distance and space in wider positions, besides the obvious issue of inviting most of your opposition high up the pitch.
Aimed wide, but he'd have done well to reach that. For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. Loose ball, who's going to get there? Played out to the right. Pumps it upfield. Looks like a good ball through. Oh, flags up, he must have been offside.
It's a pity he slightly mistimed his run. Maybe he wasn't expecting the ball to come his way as fast as it did.
Oh, and look who's there doing the defending. Well, that's clear cut, it's a free kick. And he's going to have his name taken. Looks to slip it through, goes for the cross. Has he found his man?
That was just asking too much of his teammates by playing it in so early.
Crosses it in low. Good clearance and very necessary. 5 minutes left on the clock. Aimed long and direct. Boots it upfield. Tries a through ball. Drilled in low. Can he score?
Well, I suspect there'll have been a few nails chewed off during that attack. How they survived, I'm not quite so sure, but their lead is intact, and that's all that matters.
There will be 3 minutes added time.
Well, the ball's come loose, and the chase is on. The final seconds now. Lovely bit of skill. Turns and goes back. Goes long and forward. And time is up. 1 goal settled it. A tense and exciting game that just got away.
Look, I think a draw might have been a much fairer result today. It's just that one crucial second-half goal. That's what cost them.
So many thanks to Jim Beglin. That's all we have time for. Good evening to you.
And please offer a round of applause for our volunteers today.